Ang kabattle ko po kasi si Kathleen and si Antoinette.
Sa battle na ito kasama si Jazer, na dating nabubuli pero iniwanan ng magagandang pangaral ng bisitang si Vice Ganda. Kalaban niya ang introverted teen na si Antoinette. At si Kathleen ang teen artist na tumutulong sa kanilang sari-sari store na nashook sa sorpresang ibinigay ni Bianca.
There's a reason why I paired the three of you together, no? So I really need to get to know you more as singers, as artists, right?
Medyo kinabahan po ako kasi parang iba po yung song na parang forte ko po sa forte nila.
The song I chose for you guys is Fallen by Harry Styles.
Nung nalaman ko po yung kanta namin na Fallen po, kinabahan po ako noon kasi first time ko po siyang marinig.
Forget what I said.
It's not what I meant.
What am I now? What am I now? What if I'm someone you won't talk about? Nahihirapan po kami nun na medyo abutin yung tono kasi pagka po male key, papataas po yung boses namin.
Antoinette, when you do the first chorus, I'm falling mo, that last note, that last line, go big na lang kasi you're not hitting the note eh. Sino ang source ng power niyo? And I'll start with you.
Yung papa ko po is maagang namatay.
Oh.
Kaya siya po yung mama ko po yung bumuhay sa akin ngayon, hanggang ngayon po.
And then you, who's your source of power?
People that are rude to me po.
Who are rude to you? Okay.
Like,
Like ako? Am I rude to you? No! Not me, okay.
like, I use them as an inspiration to get up from what they tell me.
Yeah.
May stage fright po kasi ako every time na kumakanta ako. So, whenever my family show their support, parang yun po yung magiging strength ko sa stage.
And I get the feeling that you'll never need me again.
Okay naman yun. Kanina lang hindi. May nag-sharp, may nag-ano. No? So parang this is a little better, but it's better na. Yung challenge ko yata dyan is, parang they're not comfortable on stage. When the lights are on, pag may tao na sa audience, sa stage area natin, sino mabubuhay? And that person's gonna move forward.
During this battle, lalo ko pa pong tatatagan yung boses ko and I would believe in myself.
Gusto ko pong manalo sa battle round para matulungan po si Mama.
Gusto ko pong manalo sa battle na to dahil po ng family ko and friends ko po.